Hello everyone! It's been a while since our last video, but we are back. Today we're going to talk about this SAMTIAN LED video light. Let's see what is this about. So it comes in a handy bag, as you can see. Here we go. So what do we have here? We have cable for the charger, a bag with this little adapter that was in the bag, not anymore. We have the battery charger, the battery, and this little adapter here, which you can use with your camera or standard tripod, or even you can put it on a selfie stick. Let's see. So I have this little tripod here. Is it compatible? Absolutely. Good. Keep in mind, tripod doesn't come with the light, so you need to buy one. I'm going to link some in the description. Now, let's see the light itself. Okay, so first thing I notice, and I don't think I like it, is that there is no way for you to use the battery without, to use the light without a battery. That could be a problem if you're working somewhere outside and if you want to shoot a long video and you only have one battery. If you only want to take some pictures or a short video, that should be okay. But still, I prefer both ways: USB Type-C, USB, micro USB, just some other way to use the light, not only with battery. But that's not a big issue. Okay, so the battery goes in like this. So we can change the brightness settings here. Let's turn it on. Probably we need to hold. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. I like this effect. It shows you how long you need to keep it on, and then it shows you how bright is the light. So that's the lowest setting. Let's go up to the highest. Yeah, it is quite bright. Let's see if we can get some numbers here. Okay. So it goes up to 950 lumens, which is good. 160 LEDs. Yeah. LED life, 50,000 hours. That's good. So the power is 11 watts. Static power consumption, work voltage, and so on and so on. But the things we need to know, so the cover temperature. How do we change the cover temperature? That's an interesting question. Okay, wait, I remembered. That's how. So we have these filters, if you like. And that's how you change the cover temperature, which is... yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's not a very expensive light, so that would work. So let's get this one. Warm temperature. Let's turn it on. Cool. Everything now is in warm reddish spectre. We have another. So how many of these we got? We got 3. This one is still in the warm part of the spectre. And the blue one. Yeah, that's fairly easy to change. It can give you some nice effects to your photos or videos. Good. Battery life, it should, technically speaking, last for about 2 hours on maximum brightness, if it works constantly. Again, if you want to shoot a movie outside, probably that's not enough. But if you just want to go out for a couple of shots and a short video, that should be okay. I really like the bag. It looks sturdy. I'll just put everything back inside. So the light comes here. the battery gets out like this. Just snap it out. Here's the charger. Okay, that's interesting. It shows charge even though it's not plugged in anywhere. So I'm not sure if there is reverse protection. Hopefully there is. Yeah. Well, it is what it is. The battery comes here. The little adapter goes in this little pocket here. The other adapter goes there. Cable, instructions, and then you close all these. So that's not a very good design, because you need to make sure that the cable comes to this hole, otherwise it won't close. Okay, and it's all packed in this nice little box. I'll add a link in the description for this little light with the price and the listing on Amazon. It's an affiliate link, so if you want to help us and if you want to buy it, just buy it from there, please. If you have any questions, if you want us to perform any tests with it, you know what to do. Give us your comments, be nice, stay safe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.